And just a couple more notes on line locks. NHRA rules say that you need to mount it after the proportioning valve. So I had this thing, I mounted this like 25 years ago when I first got the car, and I had it all nice and clean. But then I originally mounted it right after the master, and then a couple days later I read the rule book, and then they say you had to mount it after the proportioning valve. So I had to kind of redo it, so it's a little spaghetti, and then I had to tee it off. But yep, so that's NHRA rules on that, how to mount it. So have you ever heard of running the line lock to the rear brakes? Doesn't sound right, but this is how it works. So the sequence of how you operate it is just different. So if you got the line lock on the rear brakes, what you do is you engage the line lock before you step on the brake pedal. So you're isolating the rear brakes. So when you push on the brake pedal, there's not going to be any pressure to the rear. So you use your actual brake pedal to hold the car, and you can modulate the brakes with the actual brake pedal. But that's just two things you got to do, you know. So to me, it's just simpler running it to the front brakes. But yeah, that's how some people do it.